this is New Jersey. It's just one of our 50 states. But look, this is what we brought you here for. 3 hours in America and you get to see, woo, that's a big old girl.
I cannot see her face.
Well, she ain't on a lazy Susan, but she's a sight, right?
You have bring me here to show me statues ass.
You know what, you take a picture from this angle, people are gonna know you were really here because there ain't no postcards of her slit in the back. Look, I brought you here because you are now Mrs. Truck Harris. You're an American. And all this liberty is yours. Jaka jest liberty, nie jest America.
You promised cell phone.
Yeah, but you're not gonna need a cell phone on my pig farm in Kentucky. Hey, what's that? Ooh. You like it? I tried to find it in a Russian setting.
Blackberry.
Okay. Oh, hey, you know what? I want to show you something else. You can keep texting. Just leave the bag there. It's America. Now you just sit right here, my little mail order mama, and hold my beer, baby. Watch this. Yeah, give him a ride. I'll be right there, baby. Yeah, great job. I think she's falling in love with me. Here you go. Buy yourself a 40. Same time next week. Hey, baby, we're going to IKEA next. All right? Doesn't say America like IKEA.